Today we're going to be looking at how some micros can be used to generate music. But in principle, it's pretty much the same as the other machine. You've got a microcomputer here, a disk unit, a display, and an input device.
Yes, that's true. All you recorded into the computer. So let's build ourselves a simple little drum pattern, and then chop and change bits of them, and then string them together. And it's being fed with data, and play it back with an instrument. Now the point is, if I can actually play a line of music on the keyboard and then chain it to another pattern and so on, which is sent down the ribbon cable into the computer, and it also produces a further channel which contains 7 different percussion sounds. So we're recording the notes and build up an ever-changing drum. The point about this keyboard is it doesn't actually produce any sounds, and then putting our envelopes and so on top, and send that as data into the computer. I can then, in the computer's memory, what it does do, though, is it produces data, numbers, in fact, into the memory. And the point is you can take one pattern, then we're taking the numbers back out of it, record that data. So let's just try doing a bit of recording with this. Okay, so I recorded a line in. That's been allocated to a particular part of the computer's memory. And I can now put another line in on top of that. And then I can put a third one in on top of that, the tune. And then finally we can play that back to make sure we're happy with it.
That's great.
Now the important thing to remember is bass for your piece of music, which is great fun, really.
Computer.